Howdy ho there, friends and neighbors. Bobby here today. Hey folks, today I have some products laid out here on the table that I purchased off of Amazon. That's what I want to talk to you about today. And recently I have decided that I want to try to learn how to do paintless dent removal, okay? Now back in the day I did do some paint and body work. I used to work at a Corvette restoration shop, and I think I even had some ASE certifications in paint and body way back a long time ago. But the paintless dent removal actually really does interest me, okay? And a gentleman that comes to my work, where I work at, he's a sublet vendor that actually does this kind of work. I've actually become interested in trying to do it myself, okay? And if only that, it would be just to be able to do my own cars, and maybe it's for some family and friends and so forth, okay? Just to be able to remove some dents on them. So I actually got on Amazon and I bought 3 different products, and that's what I want to talk to you about today. And I will definitely put the links down below for all 3 of these products that I ordered in case you decide you want to do this yourself. First thing that I ordered was this knockdown tool, okay? And it comes with this little knockdown tool here, a bunch of different tips, and a little small hammer, okay? And I believe this is about $13, $13 or $14. Once again, the link will be down below. This set of pull rods, I guess you would call these. There's 4 different rods here. There's a little wedge. I'm not even sure what to do with that yet, but I'm sure I will learn. There is a set of chains and hooks here that you use to hook onto something to get some leverage. This whole kit here costs $50, okay? And it had very high reviews. Matter of fact, all this stuff here had the highest of reviews, okay? Because I figured if I had a good review, I'd at least get something of pretty decent quality, okay? And then the third thing that I bought was everything else that you see here on the table, and it was about $160, okay? Comes with a little carry bag for all this stuff. There is a light, okay? There is 3 types of glue sticks here for the hot glue gun that comes with this kit, okay? It comes with 3 bags here of different glue tips, okay? These are the little things that you actually glue to the car, and you can either use a slide hammer to pull with. You can also use this little contraption here to pull with as well. And here's another little contraption. I don't even know the proper name for all this stuff. I just got all this stuff, man. So you can pull with that as well. There's also another knockdown tools kit that come with this one as well, and a hammer, 2 hammers. Here's a hammer right here, and another one that looks very similar to this one here that come with the other knockdown set. Here's some other, this looks like little knockdown tools as well. That's what I'm thinking that these are as well. They look like big old black crayons is what they look like to me. And a little spray bottle that you can put you some denatured alcohol in as well to help remove your glue off of the car, okay? So guys, these are the products that I bought. Like I said, there will be links down below if you want to try this yourself. Now I'm going to take all these tools now. I'm going to go out to the shop. I have a cart that is empty that I'm going to actually organize all this stuff in, and we're going to try to pop a dent in my Buick, okay? We're going to pick out a simple dent, and I am going to try to remove it. So you will get to be right here with me as I remove my very first dent. So stay tuned. Okay folks, hey, we're out here in the garage and we've already got our tools organized in our US General roll-around cart here. As you can see, bring the camera on over, I've taken my pull rods and I've actually installed them where they just kind of hang in these little holes here, openings here. Got 2 on this side, 2 on the other side. I got my chains and S-hooks and stuff like that just sitting right up here. I've got my slide hammer here. In this drawer here, I put all my knockdown tools and hammers in there. In this one, I put all the little pull pieces that we're going to glue on. And I got them kind of separated in there. And then some of our other tools, I got the glue sticks here and the other little tools here for actually pulling with. So there you go, guys, kind of organized here. And bring the, oh look, right down here on the floor, I've got the glue gun warming up. Only other thing I think I want to buy is one of these little, they make a little table that hooks on this thing, comes out. I think I want to get me one of those so the glue gun can sit up there. Bring the camera right on around here, and we're going to show you the first dent that we're going to do. As you can see, this little ding right here, as you can see with the light on it, kind of highlights it. Oh yeah, you can see that really good. We're going to try to pull that dent out, guys, okay? And I'm going to glue pull it. First of all, we're going to try to glue pull this, and if this goes well, we might actually, there's a couple more dings on this hood, we might actually try to work one out with one of those rods. So stay tuned. Okay folks, we have picked out a little attachment here that we think is about the size of that little dent right there, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and glue it on. You actually don't want to have one too big or too small. So we're just going to give this a try. This is our first. Here we go with some glue coming through here. There we go. And that ought to be enough glue right there. And we're going to stick it right there in the middle. And we're going to let that set up until it gets a little bit past tacky, and then we're going to hook that slide hammer to it and jerk it out of there. So just you can leave the camera rolling. It's only going to take a minute or so. I can feel the glue, and it's actually still tacky, so we're going to let this just go just a little bit longer. I've been learning these tips from a friend that comes by and does this professionally. And maybe one of these days I'll be just half as good as he is. Okay. Let that set up. Now we chose to use the medium strength glue stick in our kit, which was the yellow glue stick, okay? All right, let's go ahead and give it a try here. And we're going to hook this on here, and we're just going to go ahead and, there we go. Let's see if that moved it any. We'll get our glue off of here. Hang on just a second. That's what our little denatured alcohol is for. We have that in a bottle here. Squirt a little bit on the surface, and that should make it where you can just take your glue right on off of here. And we'll see if that actually pulled anything on that dent. Okay folks, I'm gonna point with this. As you can see, it did pull up a little bit, but there's still a low spot right in the middle. But actually this around the edge of it, I'm gonna go ahead and start trying to tap it out. I'm gonna start at the center with little taps, and I'm gonna try to work around this all the way out, and then we'll actually make another pull in the middle here in just a few minutes. So let me work on this for a little bit. Okay, I found a smaller little attachment here. I'm gonna try to, there we go, there's our glue. And I'm gonna try to glue this one right here in the center. And we'll see if we can pull it with that one. Well, that there didn't grab too well at all. Actually, I didn't think that one pulled very much, but actually I believe it did. So I'm going to go ahead and knock down around it again, and then we might do another pull here in just a second. That's it, just one more minute. This is going to be our third pull, guys. Going back with a little bit bigger piece this time. And hopefully we don't mess up by doing that. Let's just go ahead and give this another try. Okay. Alrighty, we'll see what that looks like. Alright, now I'm going to spray a little bit of the denatured alcohol on there. And so we can get our glue off a little bit easier. And just like that, we're off of there. And we still got a little bit of a ding, but let's work it a little bit more with the knockdown tool. We're definitely getting closer. Okay folks, we're going to go ahead and try this other little tool here. We're going to make another pull here. Okay, that didn't take a whole lot of pressure to do that. Let's see if that actually moved it up in. We're getting it better, but we still haven't got it all the way up yet. Okay folks, hey, I'm about done here. I have worked this dent about as much as I'm going to work it today. It's not exactly perfect, but it is my first time, my first attempt. I'll show you what it looks like here. Just rub a little wax over the area and shine everything up a little bit. And I'm going to show you the dent here. Actually, when Mint Hill Tina walked back out here, she didn't even see it. But it is right there. There's still a little minute dimple right there. But I think it come out pretty good. And friends, if you want to bring the camera right up here, I'm just going to say a couple final words. This is very fun. I definitely need to keep practicing at this to get more efficient, because I think it took me probably an hour and a half of messing with this little tiny dent. So, but I'm going to keep practicing, okay? I'm going to work on this car, and I have a couple other vehicles that I can pop some dents on, and hopefully I will get pretty efficient at this and actually get pretty good at this. So friends, thank you for watching the video today. If you decide you want to try this at home, I will leave the links down below to the products that I purchased on Amazon. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you next time.